Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of clove water and its incredible health benefits. If you've ever wondered how a simple spice can transform your wellness routine, you're in the right place. In this video we'll explore what clove water is, how it's made, and why it's gaining popularity among health enthusiasts. Clove water is not just a flavorful addition to your beverages. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can boost your overall health. From improving digestion to enhancing oral health, clove water offers a myriad of benefits that you won't want to miss. We'll discuss the science behind these benefits and how incorporating clove water into your daily routine can promote wellness in a natural way. But that's not all. We'll also share some simple and delicious recipes that you can easily try at home. Whether you're looking to spice up your morning routine or find a soothing drink for the evening, we've got you covered. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn how to harness the power of clove water for a healthier you. Let's get started. What is clove water? Clove water is a herbal infusion made by steeping cloves in water, resulting in a fragrant and health-boosting beverage. The primary ingredient, cloves, are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia. Known for their strong aroma and distinct flavor, cloves have been used for centuries in various cultures for both culinary and medicinal purposes. In traditional medicine, cloves have been celebrated for their numerous health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants and have been used in Ayurvedic practices, Chinese medicine, and even in Western herbalism to treat a variety of ailments. From promoting digestion to alleviating pain, cloves have earned their place as a staple in natural remedies. Making clove water is simple and requires just a few steps. Start by boiling water and adding a teaspoon of whole cloves. Allow the mixture to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes, letting the flavors and beneficial compounds infuse into the water. Once it's cooled, you can strain out the cloves and enjoy your clove water hot or cold. This easy process not only enhances the taste of your water, but also allows you to reap the health benefits that cloves have to offer. Health benefits of clove water. Drinking clove water offers a range of impressive health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. One of the key advantages is improved digestion. Cloves are known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can help alleviate issues like bloating and gas. This makes clove water a great choice for those looking to support their digestive health naturally. Another significant benefit of clove water is its anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions, providing relief and promoting better health. Cloves are also rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. By drinking clove water, you can boost your antioxidant intake, contributing to overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, clove water may support oral health. The antimicrobial properties of cloves can help fight bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of gum disease and bad breath. Lastly, clove water can bolster your immune system, thanks to its rich nutrient profile, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. Incorporating clove water into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health. Simple clove water recipes. Making clove water at home is incredibly easy and requires just a few simple ingredients. To prepare basic clove water, start by boiling 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterward, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. Once cooled, strain the cloves out using a fine mesh sieve or a cloth, and your clove water is ready to enjoy. For those looking to add a twist to their clove water, consider introducing variations. A popular option is to add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a zesty flavor boost. Not only does this enhance the taste, but it also adds a dose of vitamin C. Alternatively, you can stir in a teaspoon of honey for natural sweetness, making it a delightful drink that's both tasty and beneficial. Feel free to get creative and experiment with your own recipes. You might try adding spices like cinnamon or ginger for an extra kick, or even infusing it with fresh herbs like mint. The possibilities are endless, so have fun discovering your favorite combinations while enjoying the health benefits of clove water. How to incorporate clove water into your daily routine. Incorporating clove water into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to boost your health. One of the best times to enjoy clove water is in the morning, as it can kickstart your digestion and set a positive tone for the day. Aim to drink a cup of clove water daily, either on an empty stomach or after meals to help with digestion. Pairing clove water with your meals can enhance its benefits even further. Consider sipping it alongside your lunch or dinner to aid digestion and complement the flavors of your food. The aromatic qualities of clove water can also elevate your dining experience, making it a delightful addition to your meals. Another great way to incorporate clove water into your life is by replacing sugary drinks with it. Instead of reaching for soda or sweetened beverages, opt for clove water as a refreshing alternative. Not only will you reduce your sugar intake, but you'll also be nourishing your body with antioxidants and other health benefits that sugary drinks lack. Feel free to experiment with different times of day and meal pairings to find what works best for you. By making clove water a regular part of your routine, you'll be well on your way to enjoying its numerous health advantages. Precautions and considerations. While clove water offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of certain precautions and considerations when consuming it. One of the primary concerns is the potential for side effects. Cloves contain eugenol, which can cause irritation in some individuals, particularly when consumed in large amounts. Additionally, clove water may interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners, as cloves can have anticoagulant effects. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before adding clove water to your routine, especially if you are on medication. Moderation is key when enjoying clove water. While it can be beneficial, excessive consumption may lead to adverse effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort or allergic reactions. It's advisable to limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups per day to avoid any potential issues. Certain populations should be particularly cautious about clove consumption. Pregnant and breastfeeding women are advised to limit their intake, as high amounts of cloves may not be safe during these periods. Additionally, individuals with liver conditions or those who are allergic to cloves should avoid excessive consumption. By being mindful of these precautions and consulting with a healthcare professional, you can safely enjoy the benefits of clove water while minimizing any risks. In today's video, we explored the wonderful world of clove water and its impressive health benefits. From improving digestion and providing anti-inflammatory properties to boosting oral health and supporting the immune system, clove water is a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness routine. We also shared easy recipes for making clove water at home, including variations with lemon and honey to enhance flavor and nutrition. We encourage you to give clove water a try and see how it can positively impact your health. Whether you enjoy it in the morning or pair it with meals, incorporating this aromatic beverage into your daily life can be both enjoyable and beneficial. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so feel free to share your thoughts and any creative recipes you come up with in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content and explore our other videos for more insights into natural remedies and wellness practices. And be sure to check out our useful links below. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.